नमस्कार दोस्तों, आई वेलकम यू अगैन ऑन माई चैनल दी पर्ल इनोवेशंस। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे मेंटेनेंस ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स के बारे में। मेंटेनेंस क्या है, क्यों ज़रूरी है और कैसे हो सकती है, हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, मेंटेनेंस इज़ अबाउट कीपिंग योर बिल्डिंग्स फिट एंड हेल्दी टिल दे एग्जिस्ट। हमारी बिल्डिंग्स में हमारा जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट है, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो मेंटेन्ड रहे। बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चरली, फंक्शनली हेल्दी रहे, फिट रहे, जब तक कि वो वहाँ एग्जिस्ट करती है जहाँ आपने उसको डिज़ाइन किया है, क्रिएट किया है। सो मेंटेनेंस इज़ द प्रिजर्विंग और कीपिंग अ बिल्डिंग हैप्पी इसलिए बिकॉज building has life. You live in the building, you use the building. So building can also be considered as a living entity because it is providing you survival, existence and a lot of things. So it is very important to maintain the buildings. क्यों ज़रूरी है buildings को maintain करना? First of all, I would like to tell that you have so many wishes and you have so many desires when you design your buildings. So it is a regard, it is an appreciation to your wishes, to your thoughts, जिसके बिना पे आपने अपनी बिल्डिंग को तैयार किया. Also it is an appreciation to the efforts and workmanship of so many people who were engaged in the designing and the construction of that particular building. Thirdly, आपकी बिल्डिंग जब तक रहेगी, it will create a kind of symbol or identifying character of that particular time, that this seems to be something जो 90s में बना होगा, this seems something जो 2000 के आसपास बना होगा. So those characters, those features वो कैसे कोई आइडेंटिफाई करेगा? तभी जब वो अच्छे से मेंटेन्ड होंगे, तभी वो कई सेंचुरीज़ के बाद या कई डेकेड्स के बाद भी लोगों के आइडेंटिफिकेशन में ईजीली आ पाएगा. नेक्स्ट एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट रीज़न है कि क्यों हमें मेंटेन करना है बिल्डिंग्स को, क्योंकि हमें सेफ्टी को इंश्योर करना है. वी हैव टू मेक अ बिल्डिंग रिलायबल, सो व्हेन नीडेड इन इमरजेंसी और इन एनी काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन हमें धोखा ना मिले. हमारी बिल्डिंग हमारे लिए ट्रूथफुल हो, रिलायबल हो, उस सब चीज़ के लिए ज़रूरी है कि बिल्डिंग मेंटेन रहे, और बिल्डिंग की मेंटेनेंस हमारे ही हाथ में है एज अ यूज़र. ऑल्सो एज एन आर्किटेक्ट, बिल्डिंग की मेंटेनेंस का जो दायित्व है या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो आर्किटेक्ट के शोल्डर्स पे भी है, वाइल कंस्ट्रक्शन एज वेल एज लेटर ऑन. अब अगर हम बिल्डिंग को कंपेयर करते हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी से, तो थोड़ा सा मैं डिस्कशन करना चाहूँगी दैट अ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज़ हेल्दी व्हेन यू टेक गुड न्यूट्रिशन. Similarly, a building will be healthy if you put good quality material in the construction of that particular building. Please avoid any kind of compromise while purchasing your material, whether it is construction material, interior material, structural material, or any kind of material that you are using into it. Your all aspects, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, all should be sorted out very well. So avoid compromising on that. So that healthy nutrition comes from our day-to-day routine diet, right, in which we take fruits, juices, pulses, grains, milk products and a lot more. So similarly, building has its needs. ठीक है? So construction material should be good. Whatever kind of equipments you are providing into your building, they should be very well coded and very well standardized. Okay, next come the vaccine thing. Vaccine is important so that we are not we are prevented from some of the diseases. Similarly, while the architect is designing the building or the construction is going on, there are so many measures which are already taken to cure the building, to prevent the building, I should say, from various kind of natural and man-made hazards. So that is also very important. Third comes curing the building. Curing is also a part of maintenance. Once you have you have faced an issue and there is something that you can see isko to cure karna padega, then you take medicines. Same thing happens with the building. When you start looking at things jaise ki usme kuch problem hone lag gaya, then you need to cure it. You need to call the expert or the architect and take some guidance and suggestions, and then you have to work out the solutions. So maintenance becomes an important aspect of the life of the building, and hence क्योंकि it affects the life of users also, so it is an important aspect of your life as a client also. So when we talk about कि maintenance की कैसे जाए, तो उसमें सबसे पहला और I think a crucial thing that comes in my mind is the neatness factor. Make sure that all your spaces, all your equipments are regularly cleaned. Keep them tidy. Obviously aesthetically भी अगर हम बात करें, a thing which is clean will give you a very good a very good aura and a very good feeling. So it is very important that whatever kind of cleaning needed, if it is a floor, then obviously you need to broom it. If it is a glass, you need to clean it with a glass cleaner, right? If we talk about a painted wall, then it has got a specific duster to clean that. If we talk about cleaning the lifts, then again you have special kinds of brooms and brushes so that it can be cleaned. So cleaning comes at first. Next comes the proper maintenance of all your electrical equipments, whether they are wiring, your sockets, your MCBs, your generators, your electrical meters and all that stuff. So visually too, you need to maintain it yourself, and you should fix a particular kind of time period when you should call an expert and you should get it rectified or you should get it inspected, so that there may not be any kind of accident or any kind of issue like that. As per the international and national codes also, whenever you purchase something, the product or the equipment, it is already mentioned, it is mentioned there that it needs this much span, that this much span ke baad uska inspection is very important. So be very careful in these things. Similarly, if I talk about the mechanical systems in a building, if I talk about the firefighting thing, so you should be very very active, that you keep on inspecting visually your those fire extinguishers, the cylinders, and every year make sure that an expert comes and he checks those whether they are the liquid ones or the foam ones or the gas ones. Similarly, you should keep a check on all your fire hydrants, your sprinklers and all that mechanical system. Your air conditioning ducts should be taken care of. They should be very well cleaned and they should be very well inspected by the specific and expert people, so that again the same thing, the building may not the building is not exposed to any kind of hazard or an accident. If I talk about the plumbing thing, then also you have to be very careful. Not just the taps should be cleaned, also the pipes, the intake from where the water is coming, the underground tanks, the overhead tanks. You should fix a particular time frame at which, or a time span at which you have to clean it, and you have to keep on inspecting whether the water quality is good or not. You should check it in a meter, and then you should do some kind of activities so that the water quality remains fit and healthy for the people who are drinking it or who are using it, whether for washing, gardening or any kind of purpose. So friends, this video is about the maintenance of building, and maintenance of building is as important as its construction, because it is an icon for you, for the architect. The buildings that we see today, we see so many good temples with so many sculptured and artistic things. They are we see them, we appreciate them. Why? Because they have been maintained from ages. There are also many buildings which are not nicely maintained, so they are called the ruins of architecture. So try not to ruin your architectural feature. Try to maintain it. Try to be, put some of your effort so that जब तक building है आप उसको use कर रहे हो तब भी आपको नुकसान ना हो, वो maintained रहे, और once उसका लाइफ स्पैन ख़त्म हो गया तब भी वो एक maintained feature की तरह रहे. So maintain your buildings. It is a regard and of course a respect to us and to you as well as a client. So friends, I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, must like it, share it and subscribe. Keep liking Deep World Innovations. Thank you.